Welcome everybody to the very first workout of 2019, guys. It's time to get back into the gym. It's time to get back into the gym. Alright y'all, so I took 2 weeks off from the gym, guys. Today is January 7th, my very first workout back in the gym. Actually, we're training back today. And hey, look who we have there, Captain America, who is holding us up. So we're gonna get ready to train back today. Who's that, sir?
What you mean?
This guy's like 40 hours late, right? Nah, he had to come from another station, so we're gonna cut him a little slack. But hey guys, today is the first workout of 2019 for me. I took 2 weeks off, just kind of needed to let my body rest, relax. This month we're gonna aim to drop a few more pounds to get around 182, 185 range. And then we're gonna pretty much stay around that range for the next couple months. And then come April, contest prep. All right, I'm gonna aim to do a show June or July, I believe. I had to talk back with my coach to see which show we're gonna do here in Jersey, but I believe it's in July, maybe June, I cannot remember, don't hold me on that. But anyways, around April, we're gonna start the prep, and hopefully I don't have to do a ton of cardio and have to spend a lot of time prepping. Before I used to do 12, 16-week preps. Hopefully we can do this one in 8 weeks, come in with some really good condition and really good size. So that being said, we're gonna get some BCAAs, and then we're gonna go ahead and start this workout. So this guy's been playing with this nozzle setup. Yeah. I don't even know what do you call this, man?
It's a breakaway. It's a breakaway.
So basically it's a whole bunch of scrap nozzles that he put together, like Legos.
It's gonna be the next big thing.
2 feet long. And I don't know what he's gonna do with it. I really don't know, guys. All right, y'all, so workout complete. Post-workout cardio as well is completed. We just did about 12 minutes of interval sprints on the treadmill. We did 4 rounds each, quarter-mile sprints. So it was a mile per person. It was just 2 of us, so we did it in around 10 minutes. Not for us. So get ready to have post-workout meal, guys. 1 scoop of protein powder, and then I'm gonna have some oatmeal. I'll show you guys right now what I'm about to have. All right, y'all, post-workout meal. We're gonna have 1 packet of apple and cinnamon oatmeal, 40 grams of carbs, and then we're gonna have 1 scoop of Nitrotech Whey Isolate Gold with 1 scoop of glutamine for recovery in here, and that's gonna give us 25 grams of protein. All right, everyone, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Before we get into it, I totally apologize. I'm at work at the fire department, so don't pay that any attention. I'm sorry if it's really loud. But we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Just wanna make it short, sweet, and simple. Let you guys know that I am back to training. My very first workout for 2019. Feels really good to be back in the gym, honestly. I will say those 2 weeks off was much needed, and I definitely can tell that my body needed, my mind needed. I just need that disconnect, and sometimes you have to do that, guys. So it's almost like I hit that restart button, and now I'm ready to go. I'm ready to crush my goals. I'm ready to achieve that physique that I want. The plan is to get on stage this summer. So this month, the rest of this month, I'm gonna be aggressive with my dieting, meaning I'm gonna be really strict with my dieting, just sticking to a real clean diet. Come February, my goal also is to stick to a clean diet, maybe drop a couple more pounds, a few more pounds, and then come February, pull off the cardio just a little bit, see if we can put on a little bit more size, and then come March, we'll probably do February to March, and then come April, maybe take about a week, relax, let the body relax, and then we're gonna pound it. It's gonna be, by that time, it's gonna be time to start the competition prep. That's gonna put us about 8, maybe 10 weeks out, depending on the show date. So I wanna go into this show, I wanna coast into this show and grow into the show. My previous shows is pretty much, we hit it hard all the way until like the day before the show. And when you train like that, and you diet like that, and you do cardio all the time, guys, you lose a lot of muscle mass, and the goal is to preserve muscle mass. So that's why I'm really aggressive right now, early off, before the prep starts. And I feel like I will bring a fuller physique, because I want to bring a competitive physique to the next show. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The back workout today, guys, we focus mainly around 4 to 5 sets, aiming around 15 to 20 reps with light to medium weight. The goal for the next 2 weeks is just to get the body used to lifting again, not necessarily go in the gym and train hard, because when you train hard after taking a long break like that, you can injure yourself, and we want to prevent injury. All right, so basically this week and next week, just gonna hit the weights nice and light, get my body back into it, and then the week after that, we're gonna crank it up just a little more and start really training hard with that intensity. All right, because when you train hard with intensity, you're gonna burn fat, or you're gonna burn the fat if you're trying to cut, or you're gonna gain the muscle when you're trying to bulk. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate the love and support. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. And if you like the videos, guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me, all right? Also, comment down below anything you guys would like to see. If you have any questions about fitness, or there's videos you want me, if there's a video you would like me to do, comment down below, let me know. I read the comments, guys. I take notes, I make notes. A lot of the topics that I use for my videos come from the comments when people ask questions. So if you really want to know something, or you want me to do a video about something, comment down below, and I'll do my best to make it happen, all right? Until next time, peace.